Welcome back, everybody, to my HTML tutorial. Today we're going to be going over breaking tags, the breaking tags, the line break tag, and inserting images to our website. Now, as we left off in the last video. Cannot speak. We left off here, so we're just going to copy this. I would keep this all in one file because we're going to add on to this for the most part. But for me, I want to organize myself a little bit better, so this is part 2.html. Copy that. And last time we left off here, so we're just going to change that to part 2. So the first thing we're going to look at today is the line break tag. The line break tag is simply, I will just demonstrate that for you. Whoa is BR. Oh, BR slash. BR slash. Yep. That seems right. Okay. Yeah. So if I should go over it, the BR element represents a line break. The line break tag will let you just, it will just put a space between the two lines, and that's kind of helpful. And as you can see here, we left 2 lines here, so we can just put a BR slash, and that will put a line break between the two. If we want to pull up the file, part 2, and we'll just drag that over here for you guys to see. Let's not do that. I want you to see the code because we want to see how this works. So, as you can see here, there's this big space here, and there's not a big space, it's just one line. I'm gonna copy that, was actually nice. As you can see here, there's just one line space here, and that is what the line break tag does. And but it allows us to do more in our document and make it a little more organized. So we can actually just add on to our document. We can just say some random stuff. Hi, my name is Guide, and I will teach you HTML. Again, do whatever you want to use, doesn't really matter to me. It's your thing. My favorite color is blue. We put a break here, the line break tag in there to space a break, and we can actually put another, not that. One annoying thing about Visual Studio is it does auto do it, and that's kind of annoying. But again, if you're not using it, it's fine. But I recommend using it. But auto saving and auto writing is kind of helpful sometimes. And we can just do, this is episode or part 2. Now let's just pull that back up, part 2, and there you go. This is my first website, my HTML journey. My name is Zaid, and I will teach you HTML. My favorite color is blue. I'm excited to learn HTML, and this is part 2. So, as you can see here, this is where our 2 breaks are. BR, BR. There you go. Next up, we're gonna put a image in our website. So, if you have an image you want to download it, I would put the download file in the same file as our HTML. So as you can see here, so I organize myself. I have our HTML files, and I have an image folder. So this is the best way to do this. So yeah, what I recommend is you put your images near it, because we're gonna have some decent amount of images, because we don't want a boring website. It's so boring when you just look at text. So we want an image. Now, to have an image, what we have to do is image at source. This means source. SRC, I believe source. I'm actually not sure, but it works. So, and we're gonna follow our path here. So I have an images folder. This is a folder here. So images slash, and the picture I'm using here, my example is html.jpg. Now, go on Google and find an image you want to use. Cool. I'll give you time. Pause the video. Create the folder. It's easier when you do folders, and make sure you know where it is and put it in the same folder as your HTML file, because it just makes life a whole ton easier. when you're trying to get this in. So, again, so I have the folder here, the images folder. These are where the files are. So I can actually show you in where you see my directory is I have an HTML personal, a tutorial. So everything here is in tutorial folder. Part 1 is just a file in the in this folder. Another folder, images, is created in this folder. I know it kind of makes sense, but I can actually pull it up for you. Yeah, I have it here. So you can see here, our 2 HTML files are here, and we have images here, and our 1 image is stored here. I want to explain this to you because if you store it like this, it's easy, it's simple. Don't get too confused. You'll be fine. And we're just going to end this tag. There is no closing tag for a image. I don't know why, but yeah. Again, I want to stress this is that when you have to have an equal sign and the image has to have quotation marks. So we can actually pull up our website right now. That's not our website. Just open up, oh no, part 2. We can actually sorry, I guess aside. Sorry about that, guys. You can look at my folders. I don't really care. I don't have anything on there. It's scary. And this is what our page looks now. A lot more colorful, doesn't it? Yeah. And I think that's good. But we might want to try this. Alright. I actually don't know why that's in there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. We're not done yet, guys. Calm your chills. Calm your pants. I had that in my other browser. Don't really care. Again. So, I just looked up HTML on Google, and I found that picture right here. And what we're going to do, actually, is we're going to get the image using the link. So, what I do here is I just copy the image address. And to get this image here, we're going to do another image source. So, what I'm demonstrating here is using an image using a URL link. This here is using an image that's downloaded onto your device. When you're creating a website, I would highly, 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 highly recommend downloading it to your device, because there's a chance that it just doesn't work. But yeah. And what we're gonna do is just that. Just throw in the link. And we're gonna have to do a quotation mark. Yes, we have to do quotation marks. I was just thinking. And that's it. I believe we may need a I don't think you do. You don't need it. Yeah. I was thinking if you need a like slash here, but you technically don't. But for proper manner, let's get into the habit of putting a slash at the end, because we do that a lot of times. And now we're gonna pull up our HTML file, and there you go. Easy as pie. If you don't understand what I did here, was all we did was we found the image and we just copied the image link, the image address. Remember that, not the website. If you put it in a website, it's not going to work as the image. So, thank you guys for watching. We have now know how to put a break tag in, and now we know how to put images into our website. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 3.